Hey guys, good morning! So today I wanted to share with you 5 little tips or tricks, things I like to do on changing your oil. So here's tip number 1. Some engines, it's just really hard to get the can of oil close to the fill hole. You end up just spilling it all over the top of the engine. If you have an empty quart of oil around, take a box cutter and cut the top third of it off. We're going to make ourselves a homemade funnel here. Now that should work great. Take the cap off, and look at that, perfect fit. Now we're going to have no trouble at all getting the oil in here. Put the cap back on to keep it clean and prevent drips. Save your homemade funnel for next time. And my tip number 2, now I really like the plier style oil filter wrench as opposed to the others. With this style, you can really get down into tight spaces here and get a good grip on those filters. It doesn't matter if you're straight on or off at an awkward angle, you can really get a good bite with these and have no trouble turning those filters. Now with other style filter wrenches, you really have to have a direct approach on them to get a good grip on them. If you get off at an angle or in a tight space, you just can't get a bite on it. These things give me a lot of trouble. But with these plier style, I can grab pretty much anything and give it a turn. Especially up in super tight areas like this vehicle where the filter is tucked way up high, I can grab a hold of it with this, but there's no way I'm getting a strap wrench on this. So yeah, I really like this plier style. I'll include a link to it in the description below. Tip number 3, always be sure to prepare your new filter with a little coat of oil on the gasket. This prevents it from fusing to the engine block, which could give you a lot of trouble if you're up there trying to scrape a gasket off. Keep this gasket down here on the filter where it belongs. Number 4, be sure you don't over tighten your fill plug. It's not like you're working on a hub nut.
Did it come off?
Yeah.
Or it broke loose?
It broke loose.
Oh, nice.
If you over tighten it, you can actually damage the drain plug and cause a leak. If you want to bust out your torque wrench, set it to about 25 foot-pounds. There's nothing wrong with that. But personally, I just like to get it snug. And tip number 5. One of the very best things you can do is share your knowledge with the younger generation. Bring the kids out, show them what you're doing, talk them through it. They'll gain a lot of knowledge and experience that's just going to set them up in life to be very successful. It's always fun spending time with them and working on cars together. So if you found any of these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below of tips and tricks and things you've learned. So thanks for watching, have a good day.